Problem number 8. During a chemistry class, 400 cubic centimeter of an aqueous sugar solution with a density of 1.07 gram per cubic centimeter and percentage concentration of a 15% by mass was prepared. Then 150 grams of water was evaporated from the solution and 20 grams of sugar was added. What is the percentage concentration by mass of the new solution? Let's start by writing down what we know and what we need to calculate in this problem. We know already volume of solution 1, density of solution 1, percentage concentration by mass of first solution. We know mass of evaporated water and mass of added sugar. What we are looking for is percentage concentration by mass of second solution or a new or final solution. Percent mass over mass. So in our first beaker, we have first solution or initial solution. We have mass of solute 1 and mass of solvent 1. We add 20 grams of sugar and we evaporate 150 grams of water. Now we have second solution or new solution. In the second solution, we have mass of solute 2 and mass of solvent 2. Mass of solute 2 equals mass of solute 1 plus 20 grams. Mass of solvent 2 equals mass of solvent 1 minus 150 grams because we evaporated water. Again, as in the previous problem, we have the volume of the solution and we need to know the mass of the solution. So how to go from volume to mass based on density? Just look at the density unit. For example, gram per cubic centimeter. So gram, so mass. Cubic centimeter, so volume. So now we know that D equals M per V. By cross multiplying, we know that mass equals D times V. So mass equals D times V. Mass of solution 1 equals D1 times V1 equals 1.07 gram per cubic centimeter times 400 cubic centimeter equals 428 grams of solution 1. Mass of solution 1 now we know equals to 428 grams. Mass of solution 2 equals mass of solution 1 minus 150 grams plus 20 grams equals 428 grams minus 150 grams plus 20 grams equals 298 grams of solution 2. So, to calculate percentage concentration by mass of final solution, we need to know mass of solution 2, we know already, and we need to know mass of solute 2. To know mass of solute 2, we need to know mass of solute 1. So next step, we have to calculate mass of solute 1. Let's solve this problem in two ways, on the base of proportion and on the base of formula. First way, proportion. So in 100 grams of solution 1, there is 50 grams of solute 1. Why? Because percentage concentration by mass is the number of grams of solute in 100 grams of solution. In our case, equals 15%. So in 100 grams of solution 1, there is 15 grams of solute 1. So in 428 grams of solution 1, there is X gram of solute 1. So we calculate X by cross-multiplying this proportion. So 428 grams times 15 grams equals 100 grams times X. To solve for X, we need to divide both sides by 100 grams. So X equals 428 grams times 15 grams over 100 grams equals 64.2 grams of solute 1. Now we know mass of solute 1. So mass of solute 2 equals mass of solute 1 plus 20 grams because we add the sugar equals 64.2 grams plus 20 grams equals 84.2 grams of solute 2. So now we already know mass of solution and we know mass of solute. So we are ready to calculate percentage concentration by mass. So we know that in 298 grams of solution 2, there is 84.2 grams of solute 2. So in 100 grams of solution 2, there is X grams of solute 2. X equals 100 grams times 84.2 grams over 298 grams equals 28.25 grams. So now we have answer for this problem. The percentage concentration by mass of the new or second solution equals 28.25% by mass. Now let's solve this problem second way. Second way, formula. So percentage concentration by mass, percent mass over mass, equals mass of solute over mass of solution times multiplied times 100%. So we know percentage concentration by mass of first solution. We know also mass of solution. We need to calculate mass of solute 1. How to do it? PCM over 1 is mass of solute times 100% over mass of solution. So to calculate mass of solute, we need to cross multiplying. So percentage concentration by mass times mass of solution equals mass of solute times 100%. So mass of solute equals percentage concentration by mass times mass of solution over 100%. Now we calculate mass of solute 1. So mass of solute 1, PCM1, and mass of solution 1. So mass of solute 1 equals PCM1 15%, mass of solution 1 is 428 grams over 100%. So mass of solute 1 equals 64.2 grams. So we know mass of solute 1. Mass of solute 2, same like before, equals mass of solute 1 plus 20 grams. So we know that mass of solute 2 equals 84.2 grams. So percentage concentration by mass of second solution, PCM2, equals mass of solute 2, 84.2, over mass of solution 2, 298 grams of solution, multiplied by 100%. So percentage concentration by mass of second solution is 84.2 grams per 298 grams multiplied by 100% equals 28.25%. Of course, same answer like on the base on proportion. So percentage concentration by mass of the new or second solution equals 28.25% by mass. We solve this problem in two ways, based on proportion and based on formula. You decide which way is easier for you. That is all for this problem. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified about this next videos. I also invite you to leave comments. Now we move on to the next problem.